Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this new Coinfruit and Grow a Garden game of Roblox Farmers Market update. Okay, finally I could unlock the Coinfruit, guys. And before we check the base value of this fruit, I'm going to show you how you can get this Coinfruit seed. If you want to get the seed, you need to join the trader event. You need to submit the required fruits or plants, and you need to have at least streak 17 to get the Coinfruit seed. Okay, and the more streak you have, the more possibility you will get for the Coinfruit. Okay, and this is how the Coinfruit looks like. And well, let me show you the plant in my garden. Okay, this is my Coinfruit, and this one is already mutated to coin mutation because I have shackling before, and the shackling applied the coin mutation to my Coinfruit. And I'm going to check the base value, the one without the mutation. I'm going to check how much this is worth. Oh wow, okay, the base value is around 2000k shekels, and of course it will be more it will be higher after the coin mutation. I'm going to check it. Okay, this is the one with the coin mutation from shackling. Okay, it's better, of course. Okay guys, and that's all about the Coinfruit and Grow a Garden game of Roblox Farmers Market update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!